We all want to be happy. Whatever that we are doing in our life, ultimately, most of us want to live happy and experience happiness. So, from a psychological perspective, we look at what are some important aspects that can help you towards this goal. The first and important aspect, if you are a socially active person, very important point that you need to look at is not to compare yourself with others, be it in terms of the material goals or in terms of the lifestyle or in terms of their behavior. The moment you start comparing, you are only losing yourself, and then there is no way that you can reach your goal of happiness. Instead, compare with yourself where you are a couple of years back and how you are now. So self comparison is always a healthy way of growing up. And the second aspect, if you are a social person, is decrease the dependency on people and also your expectations from them, especially if it's a common experience. Unless there are certain kinds of people that we also encounter very closely, sometimes within our range of social interactions. There are some people, they only look at you as if you are useful to them, you have value. If you are not useful to them, you are not valued, or you are completely ignored. Or there is another category where if you have money, they think that you have value in their eyes. So the best thing is to keep away from these kind of people. These kind of people can become very destructive, like a slow poison, and then they will only make you more and more sad. So look at people who are more positive, open-minded and easygoing. That will help you, to enjoy your togetherness in social situations. So if you are a social person, keep the priority as giving rather than expecting back. See, it's a very joyful and nice experience when you give. Could be material, could be compassion, or could be kindness. When you give without expecting back, it's a nice feeling. It doesn't really bother you much what you are getting back. So if these are your goals in a social context, then you will be a happy person. Probably if you are someone who is not very social and want to be with yourself and focus on your self development, adopt a simple lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle, nature walks and growing plants at home, or having your own natural setting will give you a lot of peace. And then for anyone, without taking any risk, there is no growth. Again, I am talking about both material as well as abstract goals, be it career or be it whatever that you want to achieve. Some amount of risk taking is important in order to, yes, uncertainty always brings in some feelings of how does it go, but then when you are really determined and when the outcome is more in terms of benefiting others or towards divinity or towards spiritual growth, definitely this risk taking is worth. And then having priorities in your life. So you can't want to manage like a multitasker everything that I want to be perfect. So you have to decide the priorities in terms of short term and long term goals based on at each stage, based on your life events, be it a couple or young kids or whatever the kind of family that you are in. Make short term goals more realistic and more in terms of long term retirement plans, health as a priority, and also some amount of preparation for the empty nest if you have children. All these will help you, prepare and be at peace. And then healthy diets, most important. Having a healthy diet and health as a priority will help you, and also some amount of flexibility, a little bit of yoga or meditation. And also most important aspect is we all have these emotional baggages carrying like heavy baskets on our head. So it's important that we shed these baggages time to time, so that there is space for better life experiences. So not least but very important is to be honest with your own family members, be it a child or sibling or parents. Honesty always pays back good at the end, while dishonesty, lying or manipulating or controlling, showing jealousy, all these can only ruin your relationships. In the long run, it will be a kind of strong source of mental health. If you are looking at some of these aspects, and then a good health is a first step of happiness. Thank you.